You get another one now.
I'm watching you, dear.
I'm on Facebook, you idiot. I swear I'm on
Tracy,
Facebook.
this is a memory test, so you've got to
Yeah, you need to watch
That's
this
not
one.
good. I lost my ass.
Yeah, you've got to squat. If the number
Mum,
do you know what a squat
in the centre
is?
of his thingy, you've got to squat.
Do you know what a squat is?
What
Squat if the number in the centre's higher than the one next to it. Go. Like that. No.
Squat. Squat.
Don't tell me. What? Oh, I've lost it now. Oh, what am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing.
If the highest number, if it's higher than the other one. Yeah. No. Yeah.
I don't know what that one was, do I?
You've got to remember the numbers in the sequence.
Oh, we could have
That's
said
why.
that.
I told you
No, I'm
that.
going to get 99.
See, you don't concentrate.
Well, I'm sure I ain't going to concentrate. And if Leanne's back at McDonald's,
She's forgetful lately. If you get more than 39, that's it.
did I do worse than Leanne though?